Pranam everyone. The first vowel of English language is A. Today we are going to study sounds of A. Let's study some words. Cat, pat, tag, tap, jam, man. Now we are going to study some more words with the combination of A. First combination at, at. Sounds of at. Hat, bat. Next an. Sounds of an. Van, man. Next sounds of am. Am. Jam, yam. Next sounds of ad. Lad, pad. Next sounds of egg. Bag, tag. Next sounds of app. Cap, tap. So today we have discussed the sounds of A. Okay, thank you for watching this video.